Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Networking Best Practices. Networking best practices are essential for ensuring efficient, secure, and scalable cloud infrastructures, particularly within the Amazon Web Services ecosystem. Networking in AWS involves numerous components and services, such as virtual private cloud, elastic load balancing, and Route 53, to name a few. Adhering to best practices in networking can significantly enhance system performance, security, and cost efficiency. When setting up a VPC, it is crucial to design with security in mind. AWS VPC allows for the creation of isolated network environments, and within these environments, subnets can be designated as either public or private. Public subnets are accessible from the internet, while private subnets are not. Best practices dictate that sensitive resources, such as databases and application servers, should reside in private subnets to mitigate exposure to potential threats. Additionally, leveraging network access control lists and security groups can further refine the security posture by controlling inbound and outbound traffic at the subnet and instance levels, respectively. A key aspect of networking best practices involves the use of multiple availability zones to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. Distributing resources across multiple AZs can prevent a single point of failure, thereby enhancing the resilience of the infrastructure. For example, deploying instances across AZs can protect against data center outages, ensuring that applications remain available even if one AZ experiences issues. Moreover, implementing elastic load balancing can distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances and AZs, improving both availability and performance. Elastic load balancing is not only vital for distributing traffic, but also for maintaining application health. ELB supports health checks to monitor the status of registered instances. Instances that fail health checks are automatically removed from the pool of resources receiving traffic, which helps maintain optimal application performance and reliability. Additionally, ELB can integrate with AWS autoscaling, allowing for dynamic adjustments to the number of instances based on traffic patterns. This capability ensures that applications can handle varying loads efficiently, maintaining performance while optimizing costs. Another best practice in AWS networking is the use of AWS Direct Connect for establishing dedicated network connections from on-premises environments to AWS. This service provides a more reliable and consistent network experience compared to internet-based connections, reducing latency and increasing throughput. Direct Connect is particularly beneficial for hybrid cloud architectures, where seamless integration between on-premises and cloud resources is required. By using Direct Connect, organizations can ensure that their critical applications benefit from low latency, high bandwidth connectivity, thereby enhancing overall performance. Security is a paramount concern in AWS networking, and best practices must be followed to protect data and resources. One such practice is the implementation of encryption for data in transit and at rest. AWS provides several encryption options, including AWS Key Management Service for managing encryption keys and Transport Layer Security for encrypting data in transit. Ensuring that sensitive data is encrypted can prevent unauthorized access and data breaches, thereby safeguarding organizational assets. Moreover, the principle of least privilege should be applied to network access controls. This principle dictates that users and services should be granted only the permissions necessary to perform their tasks. By restricting access, the potential for malicious activity or accidental misconfigurations is minimized. AWS Identity and Access Management allows for the fine-grained control of access permissions, enabling organizations to implement least privilege effectively. Regular audits and reviews of IAM policies can help maintain a secure and compliant network environment. Monitoring and logging are also critical components of networking best practices in AWS. AWS CloudWatch provides comprehensive monitoring of AWS resources and applications, offering insights into performance metrics and operational health. CloudWatch can be configured to trigger alarms based on predefined thresholds, enabling proactive management of potential issues. Additionally, AWS CloudTrail records API calls made within an AWS account, providing a detailed audit trail of actions taken by users and services. This logging capability is invaluable for security analysis, compliance audits, and troubleshooting. Cost management is another important consideration in AWS networking. Implementing best practices can help optimize costs while maintaining performance and reliability. For instance, utilizing AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Trusted Advisor can provide insights into resource usage and identify cost-saving opportunities. Additionally, selecting the appropriate instance types and leveraging reserved instances or savings plans can further reduce costs. Regularly reviewing and optimizing network architecture can ensure that resources are utilized efficiently, balancing performance and cost-effectiveness. DNS management is a fundamental aspect of networking in AWS, and using Amazon Route 53 can enhance the reliability and performance of domain name resolution. Route 53 is a scalable DNS web service that translates domain names into IP addresses, directing user requests to the appropriate resources. Route 53 supports various routing policies, such as weighted, latency-based, and failover routing, which can improve the availability and performance of applications. Implementing health checks and DNS failover configurations can ensure that traffic is directed to healthy endpoints, maintaining application uptime. Automation is a powerful tool in AWS networking, enabling the consistent and repeatable deployment of network configurations. AWS CloudFormation allows for the definition of infrastructure as code, automating the provisioning and management of AWS resources. By using CloudFormation templates, organizations can ensure that their network configurations adhere to best practices and are deployed consistently across environments. Automation reduces the risk of human error, enhances scalability, and accelerates the deployment process. In conclusion, adhering to networking best practices in AWS is essential for creating secure, efficient, and scalable cloud infrastructures. Designing VPCs with security in mind, utilizing multiple availability zones, and implementing elastic load balancing are critical components of a robust network architecture. Security measures such as encryption, least privilege access controls, and comprehensive monitoring and logging are vital for protecting data and resources. Cost management strategies and DNS management with Route 53 further enhance network performance and reliability. Finally, leveraging automation through AWS CloudFormation ensures consistent and efficient deployment of network configurations. By following these best practices, organizations can optimize their AWS networking environments, ensuring high performance, security, and cost efficiency. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.